Yeah, so I skipped the morning part. What I did was I just did a little time lapse, fast forwarded through my morning. It's 5 o'clock now. I have to head over to my mom's house. But yeah, it's freezing. Absolutely freezing. It's like minus 30 something with the windshield. But yeah, gonna head home head to my mom's house, head home, cook something up, and then I don't know, we'll see what I have planned for after that. What's up, guys? I'm just here at the Festival of Lights. It's a whole light-up display that Airdrie has. I'm gonna see if I can get some shots. My mom wants some photos. That's what it is. But yeah, let's head out into this coldness. Taking like 5 shots and I'm done. Yeah, this is the holiday train. Comes every year at the start of the festival. So I'm gonna get some shots. So I have to shut you guys off so I can get the shots. Alright, I'm freezing. The train is taking off. I got here just in time. Oh, my fingers. Yeah, that's it. People are riding the trains. Going into the field. There we go. But yeah, heading back to my car. So I got back to my car, and guess what happened? My mic just snapped off again. Same spot. Oh, it's annoying, but whatever. I have the crazy glue at home. But yeah, I guess I'm not gonna record for the rest until I get back home. So if this is where I stop, have a good night. See y'all next time. But yeah, it's too cold in Canada to vlog, I guess, cause it's just snapping. I just like touched it, put it down, touched it to turn it, and it snapped. But yeah, I will see y'all later. I don't know how this quality of sound is gonna be for the ending, but if this is the end where I'm ending the vlog, I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Alright, it's 11:46 at night, 11:47.